okushaba okubire kuryo ko kusima Ruhanga kwebembirwa beka ya Ben ubwoba kandi habireho no kutongoza album y'ebyeshongoro byo kuramya Mukama Ruhanga ahabwa kwa yaye kaniseji
nabona barukondo ebyahanditswe bishikiro mbona kubwanyu w'abaturuko rwabarire bari abenyuma obona kubyaka ababaka tumtereranga
baba Kristayo barabwirwe obutageza kwima Mukama Ruhanga ebyabahire ngo ahabwo kuba nebye
kuko no shome bite ya Bible yabire no kubo bantabira ba Bible bakabasima so winjireje yushomo Bible ni shomo Bible am following the Bible so abo kujanya inkuratere Bible munonga nani fode kigambo cya Mukama nanye nikora nkaba Bible kuba bibakora
mwene ko kuyakombeka ikanisa yitu y'abadikoni nishabanti umuranga gwa Christmas ebu no kujya ngoma kanisa gitu kubona biranga mwe abitwine mushaba abantu bongere kusima hazo kusima kwesinde kuyamo kusima dunya kuhereza ministry ya Ruhanga na nemirimo y'ubureberezi etamburaje
nabwa nyuma habireho kutongoze byeshongoro byekanisa
ejinitwe nakwa yindi yibiseho na n'abantu baje bakanyuhemo ababo kweshongora so twenda tutero income iyo baratanse nabo gukora investment iyo bakwenda gukora
byose ngo bya Ruhanga ibya Mukama nibukwasaje umuntu yangi umukombusasi argayo uramwe kutenga kitengerezo utecheshongora byona mweno yangi no muhimba
tukozere volume 1 album 1 erimo volume 1 tugesere eruhe byeshongoro 13 bya video tune videos na audios ahabwe kaniseji
omuganda Godfrey Kabyangor minister w'ibyakanyabwenge no kuhaburi ihanga nagira ngo mwaka 2023 tugubire mwaka murungi omucyange cya Rwenzori ahabwo kugumana batahero rwabahekera kandi ebya bigambira ha mukorgo kujaguza nohiri ahari Kasese Catholic Diocese omutawone ya Kasese
ADF camp attacked children, killed 46 people. They have killed another one in Agacencwire and another 10 in Kamwingi. But I would like to assure you we are pursuing them. Because those who entered were 11. We put out of action 2 on the lake, arrested 1. We have put another 2 out of action. So now we are remaining with about probably 5 or 6.
Patra ahirwe omuturo mucyangechi nawo wazirwa hakiro cya nohiri ebintu byatugambira hakireci
kandi ninyendeza abona abazira ahisoba nk'ebyanje ninga nk'erya Yesu amazarwa marungi.
That is what is shown by the image of God, that is a good, loving person and kind. So that image that we are being told is what we should portray to the public and actually act, not only say it.
Right Reverend Chibira Kambare or Bishop wa Kasese Catholic Diocese wahendira rukwendeza abantu bona okujaguza kurungi.
May the blessings of the Almighty God, the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit descend upon you and remain with you now and forever.
Amakuru gasha kwa Mike Watwachire na Gilbert Muhanguzi.